Hello, language enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered if you are using also, to, and as well correctly? They seem similar, but are they really the same? In this video, I will explain the difference between also, to, and as well, when to use each one and how to sound more natural in English. About me, I used to get confused with these words too when I started learning English. So let's clear up the confusion together. Also is more formal, commonly used in writing. Also, we use before the main verb, after the modal verb, and be as a main verb. Example sentence is given. He is a singer and also an actor. He is a singer and also an actor. So it is a formal sentence commonly we used also in writing. It is used before main verb. So actor is a main verb and also is used before it. And after the modal verb and be as main verb. About to is commonly used in spoken and informal English. So when we are speaking, we are using to, TWO2 in our sentences, and TWO2 is usually used in end position. We use it at the end of sentence. Example sentence is given. I do like to come to. So TWO2 is used at the end of sentence. It is used in end position. About as well commonly used in speaking. To is also used in spoken English and as well is also used in spoken English and as well used at the end of a sentence. As well, we always use at the end of a sentence. Example is given, are you coming as well? So in this interrogative sentence, we have used as well at the end of a sentence. So remember, also usually goes earlier in the sentence. About to and as well come at the end. To and as well come at the end of sentence, but as well is a bit more formal. So this is about also, to and as well differences. Also, as well, or to are adverbs with similar meaning and it occupies different position in a verb. Also is used for emphasis. If you're emphasizing something, you have to use a sentence. And it is used in writing when you are using in writing in formal English. Example is given, Anity is very intelligent and also, comma, she is talented in music. So it is emphasizing that she is talented in music. Next example sentence is given. We use also between the subject and main verb or after the modal or auxiliary verb. Example sentences are, I can play football, but I can also play football. Modal verb and after modal verb, we I can also. So also what we have learned in the we have learned in the previous slide also is used in more formal, commonly used in writing, used before main verb, after used in English, and both of these are to and as well used at the end of a sentence. So as well is much more common in spoken English than in written English. We used as well in ours whenever we are speaking something, we are responding something. As as well comes at the end of the sentence. The point should be noted as a rule. As well, when we are using as well in these this adverb in our sentences, as well always comes at the end of the sentence. I speak English and I can speak French as well. So as well, in this sentence also, we have used as well at the end of the sentence that I speak English and I can speak French as well. Next example sentence is I will have a coffee and I will have a cupcake as well. I will have a coffee and I will have a cupcake as well. About two, TOO2, we usually put two at the end of sentence, as well also at the end of sentence, two also at the end of sentence, and as well at both these adverbs we are in English. Two. Tom is tired too. Especially common in responses to fixed expression such as giving good wishes and responding to someone. So two is especially common in giving responses, which is expressing fixed expression such as giving good wishes, etc. Have a good time, you too. Also, as well, two, there is a confusion whenever you are writing or speaking. So these adverbs are creating confusion to all learners. There are adverbs these are adverbs which have similar meanings. However, they do not go in the same position in a sentence. Also used after modal verb and after main verb. Then as well to always used at the end of a sentence. Also is more commonly used in writing than in speaking, unlike as well and to also can be placed in different position in a sentence. So again the next points which is noted, we can use also in different position in a sentence. Also is not fixed that we have to use it in a particular position. So we can use also in different position in a sentence, but the meaning of also as well and to is in addition. We use also for emphasis. We always use also for emphasis. The few sentences are we use also for emphasis. And it is very intelligent. Also, comma, she is talented in music. So when we are using before the next sentence, we have to use also, then we have to always put comma and then next sentence. And it is very intelligent also, full stop also, comma, she is talented in music. Next example sentence is Jenny is not only fond of reading, comma, but she also writes well. But she also writes well. So in this case, writes is a verb. Before that, we have used also, which is to emphasize that Jenny is not only fond of reading, comma, but she also writes well. Segregating the dependent independent clauses. Next example also is an also uses of also, the meaning of also is in addition. Also is an adverb that means in addition. What are the different uses of also? It is usually placed before the main verb. Usually placed before the main verb when we are using also. So also is usually placed before the main verb. I also like football. In this sentence, like is main verb and we have used also before the main verb. Main verb is like. Next example sentence is she also plays basketball. So plays is a main verb, also is used before main verb. She also plays basketball. So first rule is also is usually placed before the main verb. Second use is the adverb also may be positioned after a helping verb. We have used this adverb also which may be positioned after a helping verb. So helping verbs are verbs that help the, as the name indicates, as the words indicates, helping verbs are verbs that help the main verb in a sentence to give extra meaning, to extend its meaning, or to convey more grammatical information about the sentence, to give additional information about the sentence. So in this case, so this is the reason we are using helping verbs to help the main verbs to give some extra information. Helping verbs can be auxiliaries or modal. Auxiliaries be am, was, where, are, etc. So I am working, example is I am working on a new project, or I have done my homework. Models such as can, could, must, should, etc. Example sentence is you should see a doctor. So in these three examples, if we are using also in these sentences, if we are using also is inserted in the a verb examples, the examples are, and these examples become, I am also working on a new project. I have also done my homework. You should also see a doctor. So, working, done, and see, these are the helping verbs. So, these are the verbs in before that also is used. Am is a helping verb, have is helping verb, should is helping verb, working, done, and see are main verbs. So in these cases, we have used also before the main verb. So also is inserted in the above examples like that. Sometimes also is placed at the beginning of a sentence. She was so mean. Also, she didn't let us finish our work. So she was so mean is independent clause. Also, comma, did not let us finish our work, it becomes independent clause. So before that also, when we are using, we have to always use comma. Also comma, she didn't let us finish our work. Next example sentence is it was so hot, full stop, also comma, you could hardly see someone walking outside. So sometimes when we are using also at the beginning of the sentence, we have to use comma, and it is oftenly used before the dependent clause. Also, we can also use also between the subject and main verb, or after the modal or auxiliary verb. We have seen in the previous slide few examples also. So between the subject and main verb, or after the modal or auxiliary verb. So in this position, the meaning of also connect to the previous clause. So I can play football, but I can also play basketball. I can play football, but I can also play basketball. So in both the clauses are connected by conjunction. But she works very hard, but she also exercises twice a week. So play and exercises are main verb. We have used before also before the main before main verbs. Play is main verb, exercises are main verb. So before that we have used also can is modal verb. In this in the end position, when we are using also it normally connect two phrases. We use as well and to instead of also in end position. So we have known that we have acquired the knowledge that as well and to we always use in the end of sentence. See, and when we are using also in the end of sentence, it means it is connecting two phrases. When we are using also in the end of sentence, it means it is connecting two phrases. She emailed him, but he didn't reply. He didn't answer the phone also. Next example is he didn't answer the phone to, who is used at the end of sentence, or answer the phone as well. So like this, we will use the sentence also in this sentence examples, how to use also to or as well. So in the also we are connecting the two phrases. He didn't answer the phone to or answer the phone as well. Few examples sentences with also, I enjoy hiking, comma, and I also love spending time by the beach. She is an excellent singer, comma, and also a talented dancer. Before and we have to use comma. The teamwork won the championship last year, comma, and they also clinched the title this season. So clinch is a main verb before also used, dancer before also. So this we have to use before main verb also. I finished my homework early, comma, and I also completed the extra credit assignment. Completed main verb or we have used also before the main verb. We decided to visit the museum first and also explore the nearby park afterward. The restaurant serves delicious pasta. They are full stop. They also offer a variety of tempting desserts. He is proficient in English. Full stop. He is also fluent in Spanish. They enjoyed the movie, comma, and they also released the popcorn and snacks. So they enjoyed the movie and comma, and they also released the popcorn and snacks. So these are the few example sentences with also. As well, about as well is much more common in spoken English than in written English. Same like to is more common in spoken English than in written English. As a rule, as well always comes at the end of the sentence. As well comes at the end of the sentence. I speak English and I can speak French as well. I will have a coffee and I will have a cupcake as well. As well is used to add information, to give extra information. It normally comes in the end of sentence. For examples, forgiveness help you let go of feelings and thoughts of resentment, bitterness, anger, and the need for vengeance. It is a part of the healing process as well. The school provides courses in biotechnology and training in artificial intelligence as well. So the phrases as well as however may appear in the middle of the sentence. We can use as well sometimes in the middle of the sentence also. He bought a stunning suit as well as an expensive watch. He bought a stunning suit as well as an expensive watch. I have invited Jenny as well as Nancy. So as well as comma, does as well as need a comma. If we are using as well as in the middle of the sentence, whether it needs a comma or not, there is a need of comma or not. Understanding how to use commas with conjunction is important for clear writing. Misplaced comma can change the meaning of sentences. So it includes definition and guidelines on when to use as well as with or without a comma. So we should know how to use as well as with comma or without a comma. And when we are using comma and without a comma, the meaning of the sentences will change. These rules can prevent common grammar mistakes in English. So as well as without comma, if used as a part of restrictive clause, as well as is not accompanied by a comma. Restrictive means that the item after the conjunction is essential information, is giving important information. You can use comma less as well as when you are using as well as in a sentences and not using comma. It means you are making a simple comparison. You are comparing two things. If you're using as well as in the middle of the sentence and not using comma, so it means you are doing a simple comparison, simple differentiation between two things, between two persons. Example sentences are know your strengths as well as your weakness. The daughter does not paint as well as her mother does. So, in these sentences, the first example tells you to know your weakness in addition to your strengths. So comparing your strength and weakness, so you should know your strengths as well as your weakness. Second example sentence is the daughter doesn't paint as well as her mother does. So comparing the mother and daughter both are not does not paint. So in both the cases, the main subject and main verbs are singular. So when we are not using comma along with as well, it means it is making a simple comparison. Know your strength as well as your weakness. In this case, no comma is used in the sentence as well as is used in the middle of the sentence. As well as with comma, it becomes non-restrictive. Non-restrictive clauses serves only as additional information. Eliminating, removing them does not necessarily change the idea that is meant to be relate, that is meant to be dependent. If you are removing this, it does not change the idea, the information that is meant to be dependent. Ria example sentences are Ria as well as Mia is a great grammarian. So Ria is the main focus subject. But Mia is also mentioned, but see, as Mia is not emphasized. So place a comma before as well as if the clause is meant as an aside information or middle element, intervening elements. Ria, comma, as well as Mia, comma, is a great grammarian. So Ria is main focus and which is focus subject and Mia is mentioned but not emphasized. The daughter paints, comma, as well as her mother. Both are painting, but there is no comparison. And the daughter paints act as an a side information, intervening elements, independent standalone elements. So these descriptions are called non-restrictives, which gives additional information. If we are removing them, does not change the idea, the meaning of the sentence. Ria is a great grammarian. If we are not using as well as Mia, the daughter paints. It is complete meaning. The sentence is giving complete meaning. The daughter paints. So the daughter paints, comma, as well as her mother. So comma completely changes the meaning. This time the sentence only suggests that the daughter and her mother both paint. We are not comparing daughter and mother. Uses of to. To like also means in addition. To like also means in addition. To normally comes in the end position of sentence. Example sentences are I don't know if Mary is coming too. She is beautiful, rich, and generous too. He looks exhausted. He must be sad too. Chene, I like pennies too. Mary replied, me too. So to normally comes in the end position. In formal situation, to may be placed immediately after the subject. In formal sentences, to may be placed immediately after the subject. You, comma, to, comma, should relax and have some fun. You too should relax and have some fun. In formal situation. So to may be placed immediately after the subject. Subject is you. Nancy subject, Nancy too wanted to help. So it comes immediately after subject, after the subject. To must never be put at the beginning of sentence. We cannot use to at the starting of a sentence. To must not be confused with TO2, which is a preposition, and TWO2, which is a number. TWO2 usually put at the end of the sentence. Usually we keep it at the end of the sentence. Tom is tired, he is hungry too. Two is especially common in responses to fixed expressions such as giving good wishes, have a good time, you too. Second one is responded. So more example sentences with to. I love chocolate ice cream and my sister does too. Sarah wants to join the hiking club and her friend Tom does too. It is getting late and I am tired too. So these are the example sentences given. Pause the video and practice that. Jenny is going to the party and her brother wants to come too. I have been studying for hours and I need a break too. They enjoyed the concert and the neighbors did too. The children finished their homework early and the teachers was impressed too. So TO2 has two different meanings. It means two words, as in I went to Paris. It is also used with the base form of a verb to indicate that the verb is in the infinitive. To go, to play, to write. So TO2, which is a preposition which is used, it means towards and indicating direction. It is also used with the base form of verbs and it becomes infinitive. 2 plus base form of verb. And about TOW, 2 is a number. Also 2 as well, so. Also, I went, a few example sentences are given for also to as well. So, I went to the park and I also went to the bank. I went to the park, full stop, also, comma, I went to the bank. In this sentence also is used at the starting of the sentence. So, also, comma, I went to the bank. I went to the park and I went to the bank also. So we have seen that also is used at the end of the sentence. We can use at the end of the sentence and we can use it starting of the sentence and we can use it before the main verb. After and then also is used after the modal verb, auxiliary verb. TOWO2. Two, I want some example sentences are I want some banana ice cream, but I want some chocolate ice cream too. I too was shocked when he got his hole in one. So we can use to at the beginning of the at the end of the sentence, and it is used in middle of the sentence also. When you are emphasizing something, I too was shocked. And when he got his hole in one. About as well, example sentences are I wanted chocolate and she wanted chocolate as well. Next example sentence is as well as buying the groceries, comma, she also had to go to the vets and the doctors. About so, Usain Bolt is so fast, something to a great extent. So fast, something to a great extent, high speed. I found them so annoying. They would not shut up. So these are the example sentences of also to as well so. What is the difference between also to and as well? Also as well and to share the same meaning and meaning is in addition or similarly. The only difference is the placement within a sentence or their formality level. Also is more commonly used in written and formal context. In written and formal context as well and to TWO2 are often used in spoken English and more informal as well is typically placed at the end of a sentence. To can appear at the end or before the main verb. To can TWO2 can appear at the end of the sentence or before the main verb and after the modal verb. Also as well to or either differentiation. Also as well to either. Where to use also in a positive sentence at the beginning, in the middle. Also when to use in formal situation, mainly writing purpose. Example sentence is I like fish. Oh, I also like fish. We can use also at the at the beginning or in the middle of sentence also. About as well, at as well is used in a positive sentence, use oftenly used at the end of sentence. It is used in informal situation, mostly in spoken English, mainly in delivering while delivering speech. Example sentence is I like fish. Oh, I like it as well. TWO2, it is also used in a positive sentence. At the end of sentence, it is used in informal situation, in spoken English. Example sentences I like this. Oh, I like it too. About either. EITHER, either. Either is used in a negative sentence at the end of sentence, used in informal situation, mainly in spoken English. Example sentences: I don't like fish. Really? I don't like it either. So these are the differentiation of also, as well, to, or either. In comparison with as well to can be used in short answer right after the doer of the action. I like fish, me too. So we can reply when you're giving the short answer, we can use TWO2 also. I like fish, me too. While giving short answer, we used TWO2. So should I use me, TWO2, me too, me as well, or I as well? Me too is correct answer when written as an exclamation or remark that allows us to agree with someone. If you are agree with someone, that time your reply is me too is a correct answer. It is a standalone phrase, independent phrase. Me as well is only correct. We cannot use me as well because me as well is only correct when another verb is associated with his, another verb is present. Because as well does not work on its own. Point should be noted: as well always needs another verb. It does not work on its own. So I as well is incorrect reply. Me too is correct because it is a standalone phrase. I as well is not correct. It is not a standalone because it always needs another verb. More example sentences with as well. Few example sentences are given. Pause the video and practice these sentences, which will help you to communicate and in your written English also. She's not only a talented musician but a skilled painter as well. I completed my work on time and submitted the report as well. The company offers competitive salaries and excellent benefits as well. So whenever you look at all the sentences, there is no use of comma. Examples 1 to 9. In 10 sentence, there is a use of comma. The book is not only informative but engaging as well, comma, making it a great read for all ages. So it is used when we are connecting two phrases, two clauses. Here are some example of each one. He gave it to me too. He gave it to me, and you and reply is me too. So when we are replicating me, when you are repeating me from the original statement, we can use me again in the exclamation me too. To so means agree. We agree, he agrees, she agrees. Few examples are: it affects me a lot being here. It affects me as well. It affects me as well. So if you are using it affects me as well is correct because there is a presence of verb affects. So in this case, we use affects as the verb to show how it might look. How it might look. So it affects me a lot being here. Affects me as well is correct sentence. It affects me as well is correct reply. Next example is I gave it to you, I too. It is wrong. The reply I too is wrong. Reason I gave it to you. So you have to reply I did too. I too does not make sense in this situation. Instead, we would need to use a verb between I and to. We have to use a verb because I gave it to you, so I did too. Past form of verb gave is, so we have to use did. I did too. Is I as well grammatically correct? I as well, we cannot use in a sentence. It is not grammatically correct. Again, we can only use as well when there is a verb present. Point should be noted: as well is only used when there is a verb present in a sentence. So I is a subject pronoun. A verb should follow it if we are following grammatically correct rules. So therefore, it is impossible for a sentence structure to contain I as well and still be correct. It is a wrong one. Instead, we might see one of the following: I do as well, I work as well, I can go as well. So in these three example sentences, as well, we have used at the end of the sentence, and before that, we have used verb, do, work, go. So as well, always use when there is a verb present in a sentence. So we cannot use the sentence I as well. Before as well, we have to use verb. So I as well is grammatically incorrect. As you can see, if a verb is present, there is nothing wrong with using both I and as well. So we have to use verb with along with I as well. I do as well, I work as well, I can go as well. Should I use me as well instead of I as well? Should I use, the question may arise, should I use me as well instead of I as well? Just to reiterate the last section, just to recall the last section, previous slide, we thought it would make sense to share some statistics. According to some examples are, according to Google Nagram Viewer, me as well is the only suitable option and is vastly more popular. Me as well is suitable option according to Google Nagram Viewer and is most popularly used than I as well. It is more popular than I as well. Me as well is more popular. There are no cases where I can be used in place of me in this situation. Me as well is the only variation you should use, while it is still not grammatically correct. While it is still not grammatically correct, but we are using me as well. Unless as well always require a verb. Because me is an objective pronoun. So if you're still not sure how the verb form change things, this is what we mean. I do as well. This helps me as well. So the verb must allow always come between I as well, which is why it never makes sense together. However, the verb form can before me, meaning that me as well is still a grammatically correct string. So me as well, we are using um, always we are using complete sentence as well. Before as well, we always need a verb. Me is an objective pronoun. So I do as well. This help me as well. So me as well before there is a need of verb in a sentence. Example of how to use I as well and me as well in a sentence. We can go even further and refer you to these examples to help you. Correct one, it will hurt me as well, but it must be done. It will hurt me as well, but it must be done. So as well before there is a presence of verb. Hurt me. Incorrect if you're using the sentence, you have annoyed I as well, though I suppose you don't care. It is a wrong statement. Next example is it changed me as well. I don't think I will never ever be the same. If your reply is it worked for I as well, comma, so I really recommend it is wrong sentence. Third example is he knew me as well. I could see it in his eye is correct sentence. Incorrect is you did it to I as well. I can't believe you. So the phrase me as well works when a verbs come before it. Points should be always noted. You should use me as well, this phrase me as well in your sentences when there is a presence of verb, when there is a presence of verb before me as well. However, there are no cases where you can use the phrase I as well together. So I as well we cannot use in our sentences. Example of how to use me too in a sentence. How to use me too in a sentence. Me too is much simpler. It doesn't have the same dependency on verbs and other English rules. It is not dependent on verbs and other English grammar rules. So few examples are which are making more sense, making more meaning. Me too. I knew that someone was bound to agree with me eventually. In this sentence, me too is used as an exclamatory phrase, and it is used at the beginning of sentence. Next example is, it affected me too. I don't know why I had to be there for that. Third example is, you annoyed me too. Please don't do that again. Fourth example is, me too. Thank you for finally saying something. Fifth example is, oh my God, me too. That's exactly what I was trying to get across. Sixth example, will you talk to me too? Or do you not care much about what I have to say? In interrogative sentences, me too. I didn't think that anyone else would agree. So we use me too in interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentences, and simple sentences. At the beginning of sentence and the middle of the sentence, also me too is used. So me too works as a standalone sentence, independent phrase in a sentence, or with another verb. So it is used without verb also, or with another verb. Points would be noted. Me too works as a standalone sentence, or with me too is used with verb, another verb also. So it can replace me as well in every case, but it can also be used on its own when me as well will not work. So in the sentences when me as well will not work, we used me too. So is me too informal? Me too is generally considered an informal exclamation which is used in speaking, while speaking in spoken English. While it allows us to agree with someone else's sentiments, it might not be the best thing to shout when you are in a professional or formal situation. So it is the best thing not use me too, because when you are in a professional and or formal situation, when you are in an office and any working environment. However, it's such a common thing to come across in English that you will find most formal people don't mind it and using me too in a professional formal situation. It is a natural and instinctive process when someone agrees with you about something or you can relate to them. So whenever someone is agree with anyone or something you are relating, you're using me too in informal meeting, an informal way in a professional formal situation. Is me as well formal? Is me as well formal? Me as well is considered more formal than me too. Using as well is generally more a formal phrase, since it is more in line with grammatically correctness, giving grammatical correct meaning as long as a verb form is present, because me as well is always come along with verb. So it is suitable to use me as well in formal situation. When you're using me as well, you have to use it in formal situation when you are using in writing purpose. Example is given is, so do I interchangeable with me too and me as well? Question is so do I interchangeable with me too and me as well? So do I means a similar thing to me too. Meaning is same. So do I is equal to me too, me as well. But it is all not interchangeable. It refers to a doing action. Do means doing action. It refers to a doing action. And it can only work in someone else say do in a sentence. If someone else is using do in a statement, then you can reply, so do I. So in place of so do I, we cannot use me too and me as well. Examples are, I do agree with you, so do I. It is a correct reply. I do agree with you, me too. So we can say, we can use this, but grammatically more correct is so do I. Because do is a doing action. It is indicating doing action. So as you can see, so do I and me too work in the same way, but we prefer so So do I reply. Next example is, however, these examples show that they are not always interchangeable. Examples are, I would like to help you, me too. I would like to help you. The second reply is, so do I. In this case, you cannot reply, so do I, because the previous statement, I would like to help you, answer is, so do I. It is a incorrect one. Do was not mentioned in the first statement. The statement is, I would like to help you. So your reply should be me too, not so do I. So do I is incorrect statement, incorrect reply. So few frequently asked questions on to versus TWO2. So to is a preposition which for this I have made one video which is posted few days before. Kindly watch that video also. To is a preposition that is used to indicate direction, a purpose. It is used to show the destination of an action, a motion. For example, I am going to the store. I want to learn English. To learn, in this case, it acts as an infinitive. Going to the store is a preposition which is indicating direction, going to the store. What is something of meaning of TWO2? To is an adverb. TWO2 is an adverb that is used to indicate access or addition. It means more than in is desirable, possible, or permissible. What is there is we have extra something in addition something, then we are using TWO2. In meaning, it meaning indicates desirable amount, possible and permissible thing. It can also mean also or in addition. For example, I ate too much. I want to learn English too. So it means also in addition. How do I differentiate between TO2, which is a preposition, and TWO2, which is an adverb? So both are homophones, which means they sound the same but have different meanings. The easiest way to differentiate them between them is to remember that TWO2 is used to indicate direction or purpose, while TWO2 is used to indicate something in excess or in addition. What is the structure of TWO2 or 2? TWO2 or 2 is a structure which is used to express something is excess or not possible. For example, the book is too difficult to read. Means it's very difficult to read. It is too difficult. So in this case, we are using not possible. He is too young to drive. So in this meaning that it's not possible. So TWO2's meaning is also giving the negative connotation, which is correct. Too old or TWO, too old. So too old is a wrong sentence because too is a preposition. TWO2 old is correct because they indicate excess or addition. While TWO2 always indicates direction, a purpose, and act as an infinitive. So I am too old to play with toys, or I want to learn English too. So these are the few uses of TWO2. Do I say I love you too or I love you too? TO2. So the correct phrase is I love you too, TWO2, because TWO2 is used to indicate addition or excess, while TO2 is a preposition which is used to indicate direction or purpose. So if you want to say that you love someone in addition to them loving you, you would say I love you too. So these are the video which is the explanation of few adverbs to also as well. So kindly like the video, share among with your friends, comment in comment section. See you in the next video.